Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel. Friends, many students were asking to me, sir, how to start for UGC NET exam and from where to start. They are just confused where to begin. Okay, and it is the eternal question for any exam, we can say. And here I'm going to mention some of the important sequences. Okay, complete sequence will be given here in this video. So don't go away. Please watch this video full and okay, first of all, how to start UGC NET preparation? First of all, referring previous year's question papers first of NET exam or SET exam. Okay, you must refer those question papers to know the exam paper style. Okay, to know the question format also, to know the IMP facts asked in the questions. So that's why referring first the previous question papers is the most important thing. I already did that particular thing in my preparation. Okay, and then second one is begin with reading standard books. Reading standard books, the books details links already given in my many videos, friends. You can look into that those videos. The description is having the links also, so you can buy such standard books, you can borrow such books from your library if you have. Okay, and just start reading those standard books of English literature, criticism, language pedagogy, and research. These 4 points are very important. Literature of British era, then English language pedagogy, research, and criticism or theory, literary theory. And then after you can go for collecting IMP facts of works, for example drama, poetry, novels, prose, short stories, etc. So such works you have to collect, some major works. The notes you can collect from different websites, or you can have these IMP facts from different standard books also. So you can collect such books for the IMP facts of these works. What IMP facts we can collect? So their publication detail, when it was published, or when it was written or composed. Okay, the composition year also. Maybe there is a difference between composition year and publication year. That's why we have to collect both the things. Then composed in collaboration or association. Is it composed in association with someone, with any other writer? Okay, because sometimes collaborative works are there in literature. Then major characters we have to collect. Which characters are there? Which are the major one? Which one is the villain character, protagonist, antagonist? Some of the important things for characters we have to collect. Then types of different literary genre: drama, poetry, novel, prose, that we have to collect. Okay, many types are there in drama, in poetry. We can find it. I'll be making videos on all these things, so don't worry about that. Then literary theories we have: modern literary theories, post-colonial theories, cultural studies. Okay, so many things are there in literary criticism and theories that we have to collect. The important data only. Okay, not the whole work. The important data we can make a list. We can describe in our notebook also about the theory. There the major critics of these theories. Okay, what was the concept of that theory, what they believe in. Okay, then pedagogy of English language teaching. What is English language teaching, and its history in India, particularly in India, how it was originated as a language teaching in India, and what are the methods and approaches, and what are the different instructional materials, and how a teacher should teach English. So many things are there in pedagogy of English, so that we have to collect. There is one book I mentioned already in the description, Study of English in India, that you can buy. Then research methods. For research methods also I suggested two books. One is of NP Sinha. You will also be able to download some materials from online websites for research methods. Here we have to prepare research methods in general sense. Okay, then after you can prepare for English studies researches. So IMP facts collecting of all these things is the third stage I can say here. Okay, then what we have to do: reading and revising. First reading, then revise whatever you have read. Okay, first read all the books, the data you have collected, the information, the facts you have collected, and daily around 3-4 hours reading is must. It is important. If you want to qualify this exam, you have to read 3-4 hours daily, and reading as well as revising. After you complete all the reading, just start revision. Okay, then what is the next step? It is mock tests or practice tests. It may be online or offline. Okay, in online mode there are so many available in the form of mock test, and offline you will have so many question papers, old question papers that you can solve. TGT question papers you can also solve, PGT question paper you can also solve, because literature is the same, only the exam paper style or question format will be different. But some questions will help us, definitely will help us, some questions. Okay, so these are the steps I followed in my exam, and I suggest you to follow. It is up to you if you take it, if you follow it or not. Okay, but these are the steps, and this video is to answer those questions aroused in the minds of new students of this channel also, and many new students of MA and who just completed MA and they want to give exam of UGC NET. Next, I want to tell you about that topics discussed so far on my channel are here. I have discussed already so many topics, and these are some of the important topics I enlisted here. So you can watch videos on these topics on my channel, and more than 1000 MCQs I already uploaded on in the form of videos on my channel. So you can also watch such videos. You can note down the important fact you found in my on my channel videos in your copies, okay, for your reference in future, for future preparation that you can do, friends. Okay, and let me share one more thing, that I'm going to create videos on each and every chapter or unit of UGC NET syllabus. So don't worry about videos. I'll be uploading so many things in near future. Uh, till now, I have uploaded 5 to 6 videos in drama, Unit 1 drama. And also, along with that, I am uploading videos on MCQs and so many other things, as well as paper 1. So you can watch those videos also, friends. And further, let me tell about the social media platforms I'm using. YouTube is there, you know about it, and Facebook is there. In Facebook, there is a group owned by me. In that group, we have so many people, around 1000 subscribers are there. They are sharing so many things, good things they are sharing, friends. So you can join that group. The link is already given in the description. You can follow me on Instagram and WhatsApp. We have one group, but it is full. You can join Telegram group owned by me. The link is already given in the description of Telegram group. There are around more than 300 members in the Telegram group. They are sharing so many material and notes every day. They are discussing so many things, so you can be a part of that discussion also. So these are the ways, friends, we have to prepare. Okay, one simple thing or one single thing you should not do. But only reading will not help you. Reading, revision, mock tests, practicing it, and discussion on social media platforms, listening to other people, reading to their notes or their PDF materials uploaded by them. All the things, a blended kind of learning we have to do here, friends. Okay, we have to mix up all so many things in a systematic way, so that we are not confused by this mixture. Okay, so we should not be confused also, and we have to be focused on the systematic stages we need to follow for this exam. Okay, so thank you so much for listening to me, and you can subscribe to this channel, and you can share the videos if you like it. Thank you so much.